What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So on today's video I'm actually doing the reverse. I'm installing the seibon lip first because I'm kind of tired of how broken this one is. And yeah, so I just want to, that's probably the easiest one to install overall compared to the wheels, because the wheels I still need tires and I gotta take the wheels to go get tires, and then I gotta take out the old studs for the hub and put on the new ones, and then put the spacers on. So that's a little bit more work. For now, I'm just gonna do the lip first, and then I'm gonna wash the car. And first I'm gonna wash the car, and then I'm gonna put on the lip and adjust the coils and see how high I can get the car, so it doesn't scrape the new seibon lip. But in the beginning of the video, as you can see, I was just drilling holes, making them bigger for the pop clips. So let me show you. So where the pop clip's gonna go is pretty much gonna be right here, and then these two, and then these three right here, and then those two and the other one over there. So I made those holes a little bit bigger so the pop clips can fit. And then yeah, overall that's pretty much it that I'm gonna do. I might do some self taps here somewhere onto the bumper once the lip is on the bumper, and then I'll do some self tap screws on there. So yeah, let me just get the car washed and then we'll install the new lip on that bumper. But can't wait. Overall it's gonna look a lot better than this broken lip right here. You can see it's scraped, it's messed up, it's cracked. I'm hoping that lip lasts a little longer than this one. This one lasted me a whole year. Maybe that one lasts me a little longer. I'm just gonna focus on lifting up the car a little bit more, so that way I get more clearance. I really don't mind the stance view of the car, as long as it looks good. And plus it is pretty low. It's sitting about, I don't know, I would say the lowest I would like it to go, but it can go lower. But yeah, overall I'm just gonna leave it like this, and then just pick it up a little bit more, just so that probably an inch, maybe, yeah, an inch to clear the space down here. But yeah, let me just get the car washed really quick, and then we'll take off the front bumper and then install the new lip. All right. Alright guys, the car is nice and clean. Super needed a wash because yeah, it's been some kind of weather lately and it was dirty. I haven't washed it in a while, so it looks really good now. Yeah, so let me just put it on quick jacks really quick, get it lifted, and then adjust the coilovers, get it a little higher, because yes, my fitment is pretty close. Can't even fit a finger in there. I mean, I had no issues with rubbing or anything, but yeah, I just want to get it a little bit more, probably like an inch higher than what it is right now. And then hopefully that would fix my new lip, my seibon lip, from getting cracked and stuff, from getting scraped. I will take care of this one a little bit more, go sideways on the curves and stuff, but you know, you can only do so much before you hit it. So yeah, let me just get this all sorted out, get the coilovers adjusted, and then we'll put on the lip. All right. Alright guys, well here's the bumper off the car. As you can see, this lip is broken completely. You can see all the fibers coming off right here. How many times I scraped this car? Right here is like a very little thin layer versus right here was a thick layer. So you can see that wherever I'm exiting, I'm always exiting to the right. And this is the part that's been scraping a lot. But this is the old one, so let me put on the better one. And then yeah, let's see how it fits. Hopefully it fits good. So yeah, let me throw it on real quick. All right. Alright guys, well fitment is freaking good. I got these pop clips in their holes. I did make these holes bigger than they do fit. So I put these ones because these ones are not in use on my car since I don't have the under tray thing. But these ones, I'm not sure if they're gonna match up really good. I'm probably gonna have to stretch them out, crack them a little bit. This one looks like it's good, but these two seem like they're gonna be a pain. I don't know, we'll see. But overall, on the other side, if I can look, once I put it up, turn it upside down, you'll see perfect fit me. I think I can make this hole bigger so I can put a pop clip right here, and then on the other side too. And then yeah, I should be done. All right. All right. Sorry guys, I had to switch my camera to my regular camera because my GoPro died. But yeah, let's just lower this really quick. Make sure there's nothing in the way. Looks good. I think that's pretty high. Well, maybe too high. Yeah, there's a big old gap. Now, I don't know if the back is lower than the front anymore. Now, looks good. I don't think I'm gonna scrape anything. There's about 6 inches of clearance from the ground up right there, and about 6 inches off the ground on those ones. Because before I was only like three or 4 inches off the ground. And now, definitely it looks better. Sheesh. Yeah, I think I lift it up. I don't know. Pretty good. There's about a finger gap right there and a finger gap in the front. I already checked the front. Now I just gotta torque everything down. Don't forget to torque the wheels. But overall, I feel like that lip might last a little longer than the other one, because the other one was pretty low to the ground. Right here will probably hit this sidewalk right here, this little concrete thing, it would hit every time. If I went a little too much, it would hit it. But now, plenty of space. Yeah. So let me just finish torquing these wheels down, and then we'll go from there. And then I'll just go take some pictures of how the car looks with this new seibon lip. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it looks pretty aggressive compared to the other one. Was it worth the $700? We'll just see. If I don't crack it, then yes. If I crack it, then shit. Then I'm gonna be crying saying, should have got the other one. Well, there it is, guys. This completes the install for today. seibon lip on first. Wheels are gonna be next. And then after that, shish, I don't know. Probably just rewrap the car a different color. I just don't know what. What do you guys think? I know a lot of people are saying keep the yellow, but I don't want to keep it too long. Too yellow too long. And then this wrap being hard to come off. So I only want to do probably like the longest is a year. And plus it's already cracking right here. Probably from the weather. See, like, it's a crack right here. I don't know if you can see it. Everywhere else is nice still. But yeah, guys, that completes this install. Sorry I couldn't install it completely, but you know, I just wanted to go and show you how it looks on the car after. And yeah, it looks good. But let me know in the comments below if you like this lip, if you think it's worth it. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.